Best in English, best in science, best in reading. Palakpakan natin si Mark Tristan. Ilang ulit dyan para pupunan natin ang picture. Okay, let's call on Brian Dominic Reyes. Ang nakuha niya, most friendly and most helpful. Palakpakan natin. Okay, this time, let's put our hands together for Matthew Simon Simbulan. Ano nakuha ni Matthew? Most friendly, best in mathematics, best in English, and best in reading. Palakpakan natin sila ng malakas. Okay?